Hi, my name is Brian Spence. I'm the Business Development Manager for Western Canada. And a little bit about FBC. So FBC is a company that's been around since 1952. We're a company that specializes in tax planning and preparation for small to mid-sized businesses. So easiest way to explain what it is that we do is we have four core pillars of work that we do for our clients. So we've got planning, we've got preparation, we've got consultation, and as well we've got protection. So just expanding a little bit on all those for the planning, what we do first and foremost with any new client is we'll actually do a review of their existing situation. So we'll take a look at where they stand now with their tax situation, figure out where it is they want to go with their taxes. So what's their 3 to 5 year plan look like? And then we'll sit down with the client and then we'll actually do a tax plan based on where they've been and where they're going. We'll put together the tax plan that will most effectively get them to where they want to go. So what we also do when we do a plan with somebody is we'll do estate planning, succession planning, retirement planning. That type of strategy is typically something that a business owner needs but isn't always something that they have. So that's something that we'll want to sit down and do with every client when they become a member of FBC. The second part of our service is, of course, the preparation. This is what most people are used to with an accounting firm, which is actually getting the taxes done. So we're a little different in this respect because rather than you bringing your work to our office where we'll do it, we're a little different. We actually come to the client. So all work is done at your place of business or home. So what that looks like is we'll come out, we'll gather all the information that we need, and then everything can stay at your place of business or home. So nothing gets lost or missed in the mail or anything like that. So the nice part about it is that it's convenient to the member, to the client, which means that we will accommodate not only where they are, but also when they can meet. So that doesn't necessarily mean we'll meet during business hours. If you'd prefer, we can meet after hours or even on the weekend if you arrange it ahead of time. So the preparation is done on site, which is very convenient to our members, and they tell us that that's one of their favorite aspects of the service is they don't have to go out of their way to bring their accounting work to the office. Third part of our service is consultation. So what that means is that if you have a question, you have somebody on the other end of the phone who will answer it. And we offer that on an unlimited basis. A lot of firms will charge by the question, by the hour, and a lot of people have told me over the years that that's their biggest concern with their accountant is that they feel a question is not worth spending the $100 to $200 to ask it. They know they're on the clock, so they'd rather just not ask the question. And sometimes these are important questions that should have been answered for them. So what we do is we offer it on an unlimited basis. And what that means is you can call us as often as you want, and we also offer it on site, so that means you can have us down as often as you want, and there's no extra charge for that service. So there's no question too big or too small, we will answer them all. Finally, the protection aspect of the service, what that means is that if you have an issue with Canada Revenue Agency, now it can be as big as an audit or as small as GST calling you and asking you a question, we will handle it for you. So you say, thank you for your information, I'll have somebody from FBC get a hold of you to take care of that. Now if it's a full-blown audit, we take care of it for you. And what that means is if somebody from CRA is at your place of business or home, someone from FBC is at your place of business or home taking care of it as well. So we go through the entire audit process with you. We don't charge extra for it. If we win the audit for you and reduce it by a significant amount of money, we don't take a percentage or anything like that. We offer it as part of our services. So a lot of our members that have been with us for years and years find that's the best part of the service because they don't have to worry about it. There's no concerns there. They know that the work we do is guaranteed we will stand behind it. So there's no worry there about something coming up down the road that they didn't see coming. The other thing as well is we will take things right up to and including the Tax Court of Canada. So what that means is if we get through an audit with somebody, we feel there's a case that could be winnable, we will take it to tax court on that member's behalf, and we'll fight it on that member's behalf, and we don't charge extra for that either. We've had court cases over the years that have benefited our members to the tune of $50,000, $100,000. We didn't charge them anything extra to do that work. They were obviously very happy with the results. And the other added benefit is whenever you take something to tax court, it does change the laws for everybody, which is part of why we include it in our service. If we win for one member, it's a win for everybody who has a similar situation. So it is a service that we offer to our members at no additional charge.